Welcome to day 3 of Daily AI Wizard, your 20-minute journey to mastering AI. I'm Anastasia, your AI guide, here to make learning AI simple and fun. Today we're comparing 3 big concepts: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. We'll explore what they are, how they're related, and how they differ, with some exciting examples along the way. Let's get started. Let's start with AI, which we touched on in day 1. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines mimic human intelligence. It's a broad field that includes abilities like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. Think of AI as the big picture of intelligent systems, covering everything from chatbots like me to self-driving cars. AI is the overarching goal of creating machines that can think and act like humans, and it encompasses many techniques, including the ones we'll talk about today. Machine learning comes in 3 main types, each suited for different tasks. First, supervised learning uses labeled data, like teaching a child with examples. Second, unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, finding patterns on its own. Third, reinforcement learning learns through rewards, like training a dog with treats. We'll dive deeper into these types in future lessons, but for now, know that they're the building blocks of machine learning, helping AI systems learn in different ways. Next, we have deep learning, or DL, which is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks, structures inspired by the human brain, with many layers to process data. For example, deep learning powers image recognition, like identifying cats in photos. It's incredibly powerful but requires lots of data and computing power to work well. Deep learning is behind many advanced AI applications today, taking machine learning to the next level. So, how are AI, machine learning, and deep learning related? Think of AI as the big umbrella. It's the broad field of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is a subset of AI, focusing on learning from data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, using neural networks for more complex tasks. Each layer builds on the previous one, making AI a family of techniques that work together to create smart systems. Let's compare AI, machine learning, and deep learning by their scope. AI is the broadest. It includes all intelligent systems, from simple rules to advanced learning. Machine learning is narrower, focusing on data-driven learning without explicit programming. Deep learning is even narrower, relying on neural networks for specific, complex tasks. The scope narrows as we go deeper, but each level adds more power and complexity to what machines can do. Another key difference is data and computing needs. AI varies. It can use simple rules or learning, so its needs depend on the method. Machine learning needs data to learn and moderate computing power, like for spam filtering. Deep learning, however, requires lots of data and high computing power. Think of image recognition, where it processes millions of images to learn. The more advanced the technique, the more resources it demands, which is why deep learning often needs powerful machines. Let's look at examples to see the differences in action. AI includes complex systems like self-driving cars, which combine many techniques to work. Machine learning powers recommendation systems, like Netflix suggesting shows based on your viewing habits. Deep learning excels in tasks like voice recognition. Think of Alexa understanding your commands. Each approach shines in different areas, showing how they complement each other within the AI family. Machine learning has many real-world applications. It's used in fraud detection, like spotting suspicious transactions in banking. Predictive maintenance in factories uses ML to predict when machines might fail, saving time and money. Even personalization, like Spotify curating playlists for you, relies on machine learning. ML is practical and widely used, making our lives easier in so many ways. Deep learning, on the other hand, excels in more complex tasks. It powers image recognition, like facial recognition to unlock your phone. Natural language processing, such as translating languages, often uses deep learning. Think of Google Translate. Autonomous driving, like Tesla's vision systems, also relies on deep learning to process camera data and make decisions. Deep learning is perfect for complex tasks that need lots of data and power. So, which should you use? AI, machine learning, or deep learning? It depends on the task. For simple tasks, traditional AI or basic machine learning might be enough. For data-driven tasks, like the Teachable Machine demo, use machine learning. For complex tasks, like image recognition, deep learning is the way to go. Your choice depends on the data you have and the resources available, like computing power. It's all about picking the right tool for the job. What's next for AI, machine learning, and deep learning? AI is moving towards general and superintelligent AI, as we discussed in Day 2. Machine learning is focusing on more efficient algorithms that need less data to learn. Deep learning is improving neural networks, opening up even wider applications, like better autonomous systems. The future is exciting, with advancements that will make AI even more powerful and helpful in our lives.